Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Review Hub 2025. Today, we're diving into something truly special, a reborn icon that blends heritage with futuristic design, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Yes, the legendary name is back, and Volkswagen has done something incredible. They've revived one of the most beautiful coupes in history, giving it a modern twist for today's performance and EV era. So buckle up, because this one's gonna turn heads and stir emotions. Now, let's start with what everyone notices first, the exterior design. The 2026 Karmann Ghia looks like a piece of rolling art. Volkswagen has perfectly captured the soul of the original 1950s model, but reimagined it for a new generation. The body is sleek and aerodynamic, with flowing curves and a low-slung stance that looks both elegant and aggressive. The front end features slim LED matrix headlights that sweep into a minimalist grille, highlighted by the new illuminated VW badge, a nod to the future. The sculpted hood gently slopes down to meet the classic rounded fenders, while the rear features a smooth fastback line with integrated taillights that create a continuous light bar across the back. The color palette is stunning, from the nostalgic crimson sunset red that pays homage to the original Karmann Ghia, to the futuristic pearl glacier white and midnight indigo blue. But the top showroom favorite in the USA right now is solar orange metallic. It's bold, radiant, and perfectly captures that retro-modern vibe. The car sits on beautifully designed 19-inch turbine-style alloy wheels with optional 20-inch diamond-cut performance rims for those who want an extra edge of sportiness. Moving inside, the interior is where vintage soul meets modern minimalism. The dashboard is clean, layered, and slightly curved, an intentional design choice that mimics the original's iconic simplicity. Volkswagen has used a mix of sustainable materials, like recycled microfibers and natural wood veneers, giving the cabin both a premium and eco-conscious feel. The digital cockpit features a 12.9-inch high-definition infotainment touchscreen floating above a sleek touch-sensitive control bar. The digital driver display is fully customizable, showing everything from navigation to performance data. The seats are sculpted for both comfort and sportiness, wrapped in soft Nappa leather with contrast stitching and subtle Karmann Ghia embossing on the headrests. Front seats come with ventilation, heating, and massage functions, while the rear surprisingly offers decent legroom for a coupe of this size. Cargo space is practical too, with around 14 cubic feet in the rear and a small front trunk, perfect for weekend bags or daily errands. But what really brings the 2026 Karmann Ghia to life is performance. Volkswagen is offering two versions, a fully electric variant and a hybrid turbo model. The electric Ghia uses Volkswagen's latest MEB Plus platform, delivering up to 340 horsepower and 360 pound-feet of torque, launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.6 seconds. It's quick, smooth, and whisper quiet. The 77 kilowatt-hour battery pack provides an impressive 310 miles of range, with DC fast charging that can boost you from 10% to 80% in under 25 minutes. For those who still crave that classic engine feel, there's also a 2.0-liter turbocharged hybrid version, offering 295 horsepower paired with a 7-seat dual-clutch automatic transmission. It combines instant electric torque with the growl of a turbo engine, delivering a dynamic, fun-to-drive experience. The adaptive suspension ensures it stays composed through corners, while the steering feels precise and connected, something every driving enthusiast will appreciate. And when it comes to technology and safety, the 2026 Karmann Ghia is loaded. It includes Volkswagen's latest IQ Drive Suite, which brings semi-autonomous features like adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot assist, and emergency braking. The 360-degree surround camera, park assist, and automatic parking make it easy to maneuver even in tight city spots. Inside, connectivity is seamless. You get wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a 12-speaker Harman Kardon audio system, voice control, and a built-in 5G hotspot. Over-the-air updates ensure your car always stays up to date with the latest software and performance improvements. Ambient lighting can be customized in 30 colors, matching your mood or drive mode, from calm blues to energetic reds. Now, let's talk pricing and trims. Volkswagen is offering the Karmann Ghia in 3 main trims. The base classic trim, starting around $46,000, offering the hybrid powertrain and essential features. The performance trim, priced at about $58,000, adds sport suspension, upgraded interior materials, and exclusive 19-inch alloys. And the top-of-the-line Ghia Signature EV, coming in at around $68,000, which gives you the full electric setup, panoramic glass roof, premium audio, and advanced driver assist systems. Considering its blend of design, performance, and heritage, that pricing positions it competitively against modern coupes like the BMW Z4 and Porsche 718, but with an entirely different personality, one that's more emotional and artistic. So what's the final verdict on the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia? This car is a masterpiece of revival. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement. Volkswagen has managed to respect the past while embracing the future, creating a coupe that's elegant, sustainable, and fun to drive. Whether you choose the nostalgic hybrid or the cutting-edge EV, the Karmann Ghia makes you feel something, and that's rare in today's car market. It's the perfect car for those who want to stand out, to own a piece of automotive art that connects yesterday's romance with tomorrow's technology. If you enjoyed this review and love cars that mix emotion with innovation, don't forget to hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Car Review Hub 2025 for more in-depth reviews of the newest cars hitting the market. Thanks for watching, and as always, drive safe, stay curious, and keep exploring the future of cars with us here on Car Review Hub 2025.